The Fed ticket is a beeline because its past value ranges from about 1 cent to 2020. As of December 20th, 2022, it is being traded for 8 cents, which is a lot more than what it was worth when it first came out on March 3, 2019. It is hard to point to a single event that caused this price drop. Fetch.AI still can't seem to get away from the surge, which started the crypto business in 2022. We saw a high bear run for most of the year, but the coin has leveled out and seems ready to make a comeback. We have looked at different technical analyses to help you decide whether to buy, sell, or hold our prediction. Deep dives into the future up to 2030 and beyond. We should take a look at what's really happening with Fetch.AI. Fed outlined Fetch.AI entered the cryptocurrency market through an underlying trade offering. It reached this important milestone in 2019, even though it had been around for a long time before that. The Fed coin started selling on Binance. At the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, you'll find a powerful exchange that can help you make and send your applications. Fetch.ai is close to allowing peer-to-peer applications through its reusable measured codes blockchain organization and shrewd agreements to centralized AI tools for contract sending, questioning, and testing. Designers in the Fetch.ai system will use an elite exhibition WASM-based savvy contract language Cosmosm, with which they can make smart contracts even though the price of cryptocurrencies has been going down. 2022 has brought some changes. At first, we saw the end of Reverberate Excursion and the Decentralized Transportation Organization. These were used for both virtual entertainment and travel. However, that wasn't the end of the foaming cryptocurrencies. We also saw a change in the Fetch.ai environment with the new additions. There was support for the launch of new defense NFTs and web-based entertainment platforms, and then we got the compromise application that was in charge of recovering tokens from stake relocation. Fetch.ai has reached all of its goals for 2022, the most famous of which was the main IT update. The designer interface got stronger, and a co-learn marketplace was launched. Investors who believe in value forecast in 2023, the Fed's biggest flex will be to go over 10 cents. Mark in 2023, even though the group still can't seem to follow its plan for 2023, what it did in 2022 gives us some interesting ideas about what to expect. The release of the designer entry and biological system opens a few doors for the group. We expect that more crypto engineers should get in on the action and make new apps. Because of this, there will always be a demand for FET coins. This steady interest should keep an eye on the price over time. Because of this, we think that FET will trade at 11 cents by January and stay in this price range for most of 2023. There is strong competition in the DApp and DeFi markets. Improvement interest in Fed tokens probably won't cause a price rise. If we have a price increase, it could cover it by 15 cents before the end of the year. It's in the group of things that will do amazing things that will beat any bad news. Market trend, which in and of itself is a very risky bet, the fierce competition in the business overall. Fed has a strong balance in 2022 and the beginning of 2023. The launch of the aggregate learning market is another factor affecting Fed's cost in 2023. Delivering the decentralized information sharing convention will also affect onboarding new developers. Once these things are in place, the company will keep a steady stockpile of FAT. 2023 will be a very interesting year for the crypto business. Fate looks like it will be able to handle any trouble that comes its way. Debt value expectation 2024 predictions for 2024 are too optimistic, but it's possible that VET's price won't change much from what it was worth on December 20, 2020. There were big bull runs among them at that time, but the coin has been back to its price range for a long time now, so we can excuse that pattern as being due to the coin's early days. Even though 2024 is a long way off from 2022, it will look like we think the price of FET will be 31 cents in 2 years. This is a long way down from its all-time high of 94 cents on September 16, 2021, but it shows a bull pattern, which means long-term growth. Investors can put money into the market, but we can't be sure of what will happen in 2024 and how it will affect the market. In 2024, there will be a more widespread acceptance of digital currencies like fiat. This, along with its own features, should strengthen its portfolio and increase interest, but not everyone agrees. We don't expect huge price drops in 2024, but the price increase won't be enough for huge gains if the token's last big price jump was in 2021. It will be important for Fed to continue without disagreements or scandals. In 2024, we think the market will be less sensitive to embarrassments. So, any coin caught in one could be removed from the market by the group at Fetch.Ai has a lot of work to do to stay above water. This won't be easy, especially since other autonomous engineer stages are fighting for a piece of the overall industry. Debt value expectation. A technical look at Fed costs in 2025 shows no big jumps. Since this is the case, we can't say for sure that a scramble for the coin won't happen in 2025 if different things happen. The estimate for 2025 is still rough for Fed, but we will do our best to sort out the different factors that could move to 40 cents this year. If Fed keeps its energy from 2024, it will start 2025 on a strong balance that will set it up for a steady year and a price increase by 2025. Fed should come up with a plan that means most of the excitement will die down and it will become a more common choice. It should be the basis for a few other plans. High-performing apps that are tied to a small number of decentralized applications are important for the coin to be able to handle whatever the year throws at it. In 2025, the coin could be worth 40 cents. In any case, we won't be surprised if the coin ends up being worth undeniably more than that. In the crypto business, nothing is 100% certain. AI seems to be on its way to becoming a normal stage for engineers. As the last choice becomes more popular, the company will link itself to man's endurance, and there will be a strong reason to worry about price crashes. We think that the FET token will go past the $1 mark and trade at about 1.25 cents. However, that will just be a stepping stone for the coin, which could hit $1.66 in mid-2031 or before 2030. We don't think the company will make any mind-blowing changes, though. Instead, it will focus on finishing what it has already done. Investors won't have a care in the world if they put their money behind cryptographic money that values